Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to link your PS4 account to your Epic Games account on your iPhone or Android phone. It doesn't have to be done on your PC or anything like that. It can be done all on your phone. Really simple and easy to do. So first things first, you guys want to head over to your web browser and open up epicgames.com, and you want to sign into your account first. Once you have that done, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then you want to click on your account, so just above where it says available on PC and Mac only. Just click on that. And once you click on that, just click on account. Then once this opens up here, you just want to click on the back button beside account settings, and you'll see it says general, payments, transactions, everything like that. You want to click on connections, and on either apps or accounts, you want to click on accounts. And then if you scroll down here, it'll give you all the options for you to connect to. So you just want to head over to PlayStation Network, click on connect. Then it's just going to load here, just bring you over. And then it's going to ask you if you want to link your account. You want to click link account. Then it's going to bring you over to PlayStation Network. And then you'll have the option to sign in here. I already have my PlayStation signed in on another account, so I'm not going to do that here. But once you sign into your PlayStation account here, it's just going to confirm that you want it linked, and then you'll be all linked up and ready to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.